Assemble to order, or ATO. Assemble to order, or ATO, is a business production strategy where products are assembled from components after the receipt of a customer order. The assemble to order, or ATO, strategy requires that the basic parts of the product are already manufactured, but not yet assembled. Once an order is received, the parts are assembled quickly and sent to the customer. Note: in assemble-to-order scenario, the key components in the assembly or finishing process are planned and stocked in anticipation of a customer order. Receipt of an order initiates assembly of the customized product. The assemble-to-order, or ATO strategy, is a hybrid between a make-to-stock strategy, where products are fully produced in advance, and then make-to-order strategy, where products are manufactured once the order has been received. The ATO strategy attempts to combine the benefits of both strategies, getting products into customers' hands quickly, while allowing for the product to be customizable. Note: enabled by technology, advancements in production processes and inventory management systems have played a big part in making assemble-to-order strategies a reality. Add cheaper methods of shipping products, and it's been a boon for product customization opportunities. One well-known example for ATO technique is the success of Dell Computers. Company allows the customers to choose among several processors, monitors, disk drives, etc. There can be numerous combinations of the components, which a customer can choose. The producer keeps the stock of parts and assembles it once he receives the order from the customer, and delivers the customized product in almost no time.